Berlin is a startup capital, an international academic hotspot, and has great innovative power. This is our brain city, Berlin. Berlin offers the ecosystem for startups at all stages. With their own startup services and innovation hubs, each university fosters the transfer of ideas from research to market.
Hi, I'm Ihab Shakur, co-founder at Innosphere, and we treat ADHD for good. We started developing the project in Haifa in Israel, and through the Exist Startup Germany program, after receiving the grant, we moved to Germany to further develop the project and incorporate in Germany.
I'm Christoph Theis, one of the co-founders of Sequoia. Sequoia is a spin-off of the Technische University of Berlin. During a time frame of 8 years, we developed our technology until we came to the point when we founded Sequoia.
Berlin's universities joined forces because we believe in the power of science. Together, we want to tackle some of these grand challenges that we all face in today's rapidly evolving world.
Coming here to HU Berlin through the Exist program was great. We were immensely supported by the team here through incubation, through consulting support, and also through scientific mentoring.
Today, Sequoia has more than 60 employees, and we are very successful in an international market. For us, Berlin is the perfect city because it's open-minded, it's international, and it's easy to find the right people for the company.
After being in so many places around the world and spending 2 years in Berlin, I can confidently say that Berlin is the place to be for startups, especially when you target global problems.
Join us in Berlin, the city of bright minds.
Anyone who wants to found a company based on research should come to Berlin and approach our universities. Welcome.